How to set up accounts alerts in Discover Bank online banking. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily set up account alerts in Discover Bank online banking. So first thing, just head over to any web browser and just search in for Discover Bank, and you just have to click on this homepage screen of the discover.com, and basically from over here you just have to log into your account using your registered user ID as well as your password. And once you successfully log into your account, just navigate to your profile setting, which is usually located in the main menu right around over here. And once you successfully tap on that, you just have to select the alerts and notifications from the settings menu. And once you do that, what you need to do is choose the specific amount or account and the types of the activity you want to monitor, such as account balance or large withdrawals, and decide whether you want to receive alerts through text messages, emails, or both. You can always turn on or off at any time by going back to this section and adjusting your preferences. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.